Hey guys, this is supposed to be the second video of my updated non-soda vlog. However, my computer just went kaput. My cat spilled my water all over my computer, and I don't know if I'm going to get any of those videos off. And my video before this one, that was going to be the first of this vlog video, had the first video. So, my life is going through a lot of hell right now. Like, a week ago, my microphone broke, so I couldn't do voiceover for my Between Monsters and Men or any makeup ones. So I filmed a whole bunch of makeup ones that didn't require me to do voiceover, and I just lost all those videos, and I don't even remember half of them that I did. And I'm so stressing out. I just sent my computer to my brother-in-law now. He's a computer guru, so he repairs computers and everything. He's gonna try to extract all the information he can off of it. Hopefully that works, because I am literally flipping shit right now. So the editing program I'm gonna be using is on my new Alienware. Luckily I did just buy an Alienware. Unluckily I did not put any of my stuff on it in time. I was going to start slowly putting stuff over so that I can see how my computer's going to run with everything, see if I need to buy a newer editing program, etc., just to check things out since I had two computers. I don't know why this lighting is going on me. See? Things are just not happening for me right now. And, well, now I'm trying to get everything downloaded onto my Alienware, my Audacity. I'm trying to look for an editing program. I noticed that I didn't have the free one on the computer itself, so I'm trying to look for a free one now on some website my brother-in-law told me to go to. So I'm trying my best, and it's just like life is just going down to hell. But for the updates on the soda situation, if I can get that up, I probably will do another second vlog. This is just me complaining, so you guys understand what's going on and why I might not be putting videos up for maybe another week or two. The situation is I did quit soda for a week and 3 days ago, and ever since that week and 3 days, nothing but stress and broken situations have been happening, and that's why I drink soda to begin with, is because of stress. It's like a stress reliever for me, and it's just like, wow, life is just really challenging me right now, and I'm just flipping out. I'm having a hard time dealing with all this stuff, and I know, yes, that people have it worse. I'm not saying that my life is at its worst. I'm just saying that it's just incredibly painful to see it all breaking down all at once. As I said, I just did buy an Alienware. Now with money I had, either I had to get another credit card because something was telling me that my computer was going to break and I needed to start purchasing another one and start moving things over. However, I guess I didn't move things over fast enough. I literally don't have anything on my Alienware. I just downloaded Audacity today after the situation because I was like, no, I better grab some stuff. So after that, I gotta look for an editing program. Life is just kicking me in the butt right now. I'm having such a hard time. Like I said, I bought a new microphone along with my Alienware, so I do have a new microphone. It's the Blue Yeti. It sounds beautiful for the one video I got to edit before this all started happening. I probably did put up a video. I did put up a video today before the computer broke, so hopefully that will be up tomorrow. It shouldn't bother it in any way from being up tomorrow. So yes, I did film a lot of videos, and I always film more than one each day that I film, so I have extras because I have mental issues that sometimes delays me from filming videos. I always like to have extras to work on. As I just told someone, I would have an interview with them tomorrow at 3 o'clock. And now I gotta find a way to get my computer up and running to get connected to that server and get my stuff all passworded and fixed and everything like that. Oh, it's causing me some hell. So hopefully I'll be able to get that up, and hopefully I won't have such a panic attack. I'm trying very hard not to have panic attacks right now because I'm freaking out. I can't believe this happened. But I didn't put anything on it. Other than that, more things are broken. My phone is all destroyed because I can't afford to pay off my phone to update my phone, and it would cost me about $250 just to replace the phone in general to fix it because, well, the cracks crack through to the motherboard, so it's not just the glass on top. Now, the funny story about this one is, guys, I have a glass protector on my phone. And when it dropped on the ground, which it slipped out of my pocket, it somehow hit the phone where it cracked underneath the glass protector, and it's like all over the phone. It hit the motherboard and everything, so like the phone itself coming up, I can't take the glass protector off because it's taking off all that stuff. And I just tried going to them the other day on our date night to see if I can get it fixed, if there was a way, if I send it in, should there be a warranty, which I could ask my dad. He said he was going to call them. It's just like everything is just going down to shit. This happened, by the way, this phone thing happened to me like a month and a half ago. I just haven't fixed it because I can't afford it. $250 is a lot of money to me. Like I said, I bought the Alienware because I had to use a credit card from Best Buy, so I have to pay off over $2,000 before next year, otherwise the interest charge is going to be ridiculous. And then when I say I mean ridiculous, I mean ridiculous. So I have to figure out a way to do all that. Probably buy a new editing program, probably buy a new phone, go down to Florida, which I paid for all too before all this stuff started happening. It's just kind of like, why couldn't this happen after the tax or before the tax return, so I could just used it on this stuff instead? No. I watched a video last night. It says on a movie, The Hitman's Bodyguard, if life gets you shit, make lemonade or something like that. And I'm like, life is giving me too much shit. No lemonade's gonna be coming out of this. I'm just having some difficulties. So, my apologies if there are no videos up until much later. I was actually in the process of making my next Between Monsters and Men. I finished the script. All I had to do was do a voiceover on it. Now that's lost, and that was a lot of work. My game cap program's on there and everything, so I'm gonna have to put that on my Elgato. That's what it is. But I have to put that onto my Alienware. I was gonna start filming some PC-related games, like mostly Sims related. However, now I don't have a second computer to do that with, because usually you would need a second computer to do that with. So I can't do that. So I'm just having a lot of. I'm trying not to have a mental breakdown. I'm trying not to have the cracked mind again. So please forgive me for the late videos. I'm going to try and put this up as soon as possible so you guys understand what's going on as well. So